Hello guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video, ayan. So school and year na nila Dingy sa kanilang school. So ayan, pupunta tayo kasi merong para kumuha ng car. Then ayan, dala-dala tayo dito. Dala-dala pa rin. Hindi naubos yung paggagala natin. So ayan. So maganda naman yung paggagalaan natin. Kasi maraming kami guys. So I'm excited.
All of my classes are coming.
Not it just dress.
Mommy thinks buy this, and I just thought it would be a good idea if I put white t-shirt and on it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Kasi school says it. Okay guys, let's go.
To get a car.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
I don't know why they want us to get a car back, and I don't know why. Look, it's complicated. Today's my birthday.
Mamaya mag-ano tayo doon.
Today's my birthday.
So, mamaya, akit muna
It's
tayo.
my birthday now.
We go there.
Just kidding.
Hey guys, nandito na tayo sa taas. Mahinga na tulog. Yes, nandito na tayo. Umuwi na yung iba kasi late kami. Oh yes! Nandito na naman tayo. Wee! With the friends.
They don't film.
Wow. Yeah.
So fast, my mom. So this is a sad news. We're going to step. No Google with Amara in the chapter. And the Amy. Oh, be with Amara.
What about Amara? Amara just school. Well, we don't know. Well, they said you have to separate para malaman who's the smallest, who's the cutest. What? You're cute? Because you both of you look alike. So guys, nakauwi na kami. Ayun. So ayun, bubulak ng turo.
In
Sarap
the
ng
mall, so cold. You don't want to go there.
Yeah, it's true. So cold. So ayun
I know
guys.
the outside is hot, but this one is cold. It tastes like SM again.
So ayan, sarap ng ano. Sarap na itong turon. So ayan, pinilahan talaga ng turon na. Yan, so ayan, masarap. Kasi may ano siya, may langka. So ayan, additional siya. Masarap siya pag may langka. So yan, napaka-happy naman ng araw natin for today. Ayan, so yan, sa mga bago pala sa ating channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And need the notification bell. Ayan si Amara. So, kinake-out na lang namin yung mga pagkain kasi ang daming tao. Walang upuan. So ayan guys, see you out to our next vlog.